In this video, we're gonna check RSI indicator going back 12 months on Ethereum on the daily chart with the settings, and let's see if this strategy is profitable. Let's go. We're starting with the settings. Click here. First of all, go to trading view, click indicators and put RSI, okay, relative strength index. Then change the settings right here. I like to keep remove those and leave all the rest, okay, and change the colors to green, red, and in green, red, change this to the thickest in green, and change this one also to thickest in red. Change both of those to line and line right here. At the bottom, change to 20 and 80 from 30 to 70, and change the middle one to it is 50, but just I changed the color to this one, and also all the way thickness. Other than that, we got ourselves EMA, moving average. I changed to EMA and I left 14 and 2, and visibility I just like to remove everything. It doesn't really do anything, just live with days. Okay, so those are the settings. I'm gonna take a trade, and basically a trade for me is if we are, I'm going long, if we are both of those, the red and the green, above the 50 line, okay, that's going long. As long as the green above the red and both of them above the white, and vice versa. So let's get to it. Make sure I'm also recording, which I am. I'm gonna show you how to take a trade. You just click replay. You take the chart all the way back as much as you want. I do the daily chart. I went all the way back to October 2021, and the first trade should be right about here. Okay, here we go. This one, we are above the white in here, the 50 white, and the green is above the red. So this is the trade. No shortcuts, no nothing. You click here, okay, and you change this one. You click twice and you pick either long or short. At this time we're taking a long, and we just started the beginning of the day. It's not a perfect science, but it is something. You click here, you change the settings. Just so you know, I'm changing the setting. I put an account size of $50,000. You can get a funded account with FTMO, link below. Entry price, okay, and in order for this not to have any issues, I'm just changing take profit. I'm putting price 5,000 because I know Ethereum haven't reached there, and stop level I put at like 500. It doesn't matter, just so it would take us to the exact trade and won't have any issues. And I'm risking 50,000. I'm just showing you how to take a trade. Click OK, and once it's done, I'm also gonna click play and actually take the trade right here. I see play, let's go, and it's gonna show us the trade. And then we're gonna close the trade. I'm gonna show you where we close the trade. Long, and here is the trade closes when the red crosses above the green. There's a lot of chops in here. I assume you have also other confirmation indicators. If you don't, you can use mine that I found in the link in the description. This is a trade. See here, $89 lost on a $50,000 account. Why? Because the red passes the green. I'm gonna take a note of this, and I'm gonna move forward. Next, we're gonna take another trade, and then I'm just gonna fast forward this, but just so you understand, again, the green right here, I'm looking for long. As long as we are above the 50, I'm looking for long. The green is above the red. We are both above the 50, so I'm taking a long in here. How do I do it? I click here, change this to long, and basically I take the trade anywhere in between. Again, not a rocket science, and just click long, click play, and see where it takes us. See here, it's going long. We're making profit until the red crosses the green. Not yet. Keep going and still going. That's a nice trade. And right here. Okay, so we're gonna close the trade in here. Right here, this one passes probably the next day. Right here. There's a lot of chopping in the Ethereum one with the RSI. So far, not that good compared to the Bitcoin from yesterday, but this is a nice trade. We got in from 3180 all the way, and it got us out at 2500. Pretty awesome. So let's lock it down. How much is that in percentage? 650 points, 20%. That's a great trade. Okay. This was a great trade. Look at this. We went above the 50 right here. This is the trade. Okay. And we both of them above the 50, and you're waiting for the green to be above the red right here. So this was the trade around 2800, and it got us all the way to here until it got us out at 3300. You see here, we're still above the 50 line, but the red just passed the green. So that's your exit, and you made in here 18.25%. So let's say on a 50,000 account, that's another $20,000 almost, give or take. Beautiful trade. This was in March, April. Nice. Here's another banger of a trade. Look at this, from 2700 short right here below the 50 line, and the red is above the green, so we're going short. This was in May when everyone was super euphoric, and then the Luna crash came from 27 all the way. Took us, got about out in here around 2000. That is a crazy trade. Another 20 something percent, 22% right here, and you got out because the green is above the red. So another 22%. If you have a funded account, that's another $11,000 in your pocket. Another crazy win. Look at this. Nice short right here. Another crash that we caught. RSI, I'm starting to like you, and if you add all the confirmation, you will do better. Okay, so we are below the 50. We go in here. This was in June, the June crash. The red is above the green. That's a short. We are below the 50. We're looking for short. We got a short right here around 1680, and it gave us 550 points all the way here. See, all the way here, and around 1100 you got out when the green crosses the red, which gave us 556 points, or 33 bucks. And if you have a 50 bucks, a 50,000 account, that's about 15k, 16k profit when everyone. This was the Luna craziness. This was from June 13 all the way to June 19. In a week, you made 30% or $15,000. If you have more, even better. This was another great win. Look at this. We're already in September, and we got from the crash from 1460, September 17, when we went, let me show you here, just below the 50. The red is above the green. We take a short all the way to around here when it blips a little green to 1330, almost 200 points, or if you click here, it says 8.48%. And if it calculated your amount, it's already like $12,000 profit, just based on the all the cumulative money that you got from all the trades before. Not bad. Let's keep going. We're almost done. In conclusion, on Ethereum RSI on the daily chart with those settings, we took 35 trades. Okay. 14 wins, 21 losses, so the win ratio is not that good, but we also made over $40,000, assuming a $50,000 account starting point. which comes to about 80.4%. I'll get the numbers, the exact numbers tomorrow. We made 80% profit just based on this. This is good for nice winners, but it really chops you down. I assume if you have confirmation, other indicators as confirmation, you will not take at least 10 trades from the 10 losses that we got chopped on. If you want my indicators that made on Ethereum 519.68%, link in the description. This was valuable. Subscribe. I'll try to do more indicators to get us better data, and let's effing go. Bye bye.